Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are all about leveling up your hair routine, you're gonna know what I am diving into today. Okay, let's get into it. That is OTESALY Micro-Infusion System Kit. This kit is your at-home hair sphere. It makes hair thicker, roots stronger, and nourish your scalp from the inside. It works for everyone dealing with hair loss, guys and girls alike. Let's break down what's inside. You will get 1 vial anti-hair loss serum and 2 vials H-PDRN serum, blended with all the good stuff to feed your roots and boosts follicle health. Plus, there is a super handy roller lead applicator to make applying the easy and precise. How do you use it? Let me talk you through it step by step. It's beginner friendly. Step 1. Disinfection. Unpack the needle. Soak a new needle in 75% isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with saline solution. Wipe dry and allow to air dry completely. Step 2. Prepare serum. Remove the serum bottle cap. Remember, the solution must be used on the same day after opening. Step 3. Assemble. Attach the disinfected dry needle securely onto the serum bottle top. Close the top tightly. Shake gently 2 to 3 times. Step 4. Clean and dry your hair. Step 5. Apply. Gently roll the roller lead on your scalp, zeroing in on those thinning spots or your hairline. Give it a little massage afterward to help the formula soak in. Repeat 2 to 3 times for better results. Step 6. Post-use cleaning. Remove the needle. Remember, clean and disinfect it again before storage. We recommend using it 2 weeks. Consistency is a key here. Trust me, that growth is so worth it. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to say goodbye to the lackluster hair and say hello to shiny hair, go grab the OTESALY Micro-Infusion System Kit.